What is going on, investors? My name is Emmanuel, and Palantir shareholders, I think we are about to experience a miracle right now. Because right now, you're looking at a contract, a brand new contract that we have just received and just started. And despite this, the share price is green. We are up 1.46% on the day on the announcement of a brand new contract. I mean, what is going on? Because we're so used to seeing Palantir secure a contract and it finishes red or it goes red or we see a massive pullback. That seems to have been the theme with a run up to Q1. So since Q1, the contracts have kind of died down a little bit, but now we've just received word of a brand new one and the share price is up over 1% today. I don't know what is going on. Is this the sign of things to come for the future? I don't know. But so this is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to go through the details of the contract, keep you guys up to date and in the loop with everything going on with Palantir right now. If you gain any value, please make sure you smash the like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest videos. So with that said, let's just dive into the contract. So this is a brand new contract, okay? It was signed literally yesterday. I'm recording this on the 21st of May, 2021. So it was signed yesterday, and the period of performance start date was today, in fact. So yeah, the contract actually begins today. And it's due for completion. So it's a very short contract. It's due for completion within 4 months' time on the 27th of September, 2021. And if you look at the amount of the contract, is the action obligation is just shy of $2 million, which is not too bad. So for pretty much 4 months worth of work, we're getting $2 million that's going to be added to our top line for 4 months. Yes, please. So let's see who is issuing this new contract to us, and it's the National Institutes of Health. Okay, so that's the contracting office agency name. And if you're not familiar with the National Institutions of Health, they pretty much are a primary agency based in the US, responsible for biomedical and public health research. Okay, so I remember when I was in university, I work within the health sector. My specialty is in radiology. So some of the articles that I used back in the day for my dissertation and for all of my other assignments, a lot of the research that I found was from the National Institute of Health. So they've got a variety of documents, a variety of research training programs. So this is kind of like deja vu for me right now. There's a lot of articles on medical research initiatives, science education, research resources, very, very useful. And I'm sure if you work in that sector, you're very familiar with the National Institute of Health. And just to be clear, this is not the first time that Palantir and the National Institute for Health have actually worked together. As you can see on Palantir's website, that they've been expanding their enclave for the C-19 data with a $36 million Palantir contract. Okay, so there's already a pre-existing contract with Palantir. It says here that the National Institute of Health is looking to build the largest centralized collection of C-RONI patient data in the world. Okay, and in pursuit of that, who are they going to enroll? Of course, Palantir. There's only one company that they can enroll. And they awarded Palantir Technologies a $36 million contract for a data enclave. Okay, so further details with regards to the pre-existing contract sought by National Center for Advancing Translational Sciences. The secure network for storing and sharing scientific data manages public and private researchers' access to clinical, laboratory, and diagnostic information from healthcare institutions. Okay, now here's a bit more information with regards to that contract. So by integrating data from multiple sites, the platform will enable researchers to explore questions with vastly more statistical power than is achievable at individual CTSA sites, which is essential for better understanding this highly heterogeneous disease. Okay, and this is where Palantir comes in. Okay, so the N3C data platform proof of concept will be built by Palantir in May. So we're in May now. Is this recent $2 million contract with the NIH an extension to this pre-existing $36 million contract, which will bump up the value to about $38 million? Are they linked? Not entirely sure. It will be up. That's up for speculation. However, This is very good to see. Okay, so the $36 million contract with the NIH is just a 1-year contract, and I believe this was published in September. So this contract will probably expire September this year, and then the new contract also expires in September this year. So maybe they are linked. Maybe both of them are linked. So maybe we're doing additional work. Palantir's like, hey, hold on, we need a bit more money. Maybe that's what it is. Because it's a bit strange that they both end at the same time, and we already have a pre-existing contract with NIH, which is very, very interesting. So I think maybe they are linked, but whatever it is, but whatever the case is, in terms of integrating data from multiple sites, there's only one company that they saw fit for purpose, and that is Palantir. Okay, that is Palantir. So that's extremely good to see. So for confirmation, as you can see here, the vendor name is Palantir Technologies Inc. So another $2 million in the bag. Thank you very much. So this was a quick update for you guys. We are still green. We're still green. We're still up 1% on the day. It will be good if we can finish green. It'll be very good if we can finish green. And as you can see here, we're about to test the 61.8% level for the Fibonacci retracement. If we can break through this 61.8% level, I think that's going to be very bullish for us long term. But again, this is all short term stuff. I'm not going to waste too much time on this. We're all in this for the long term. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video today. If you want to be part of my Discord community where we research stocks and talk about companies like Palantir, then you can do so by clicking the Patreon link in the description below. So thank you so much for watching. This is a miracle. Mark today's date. We had a contract and we're so far green. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate your time, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.